Howdy, this is Just Puzzling. My name is Chris. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you for joining me for this Killer Sudoku that I do at the expert level on my iPad. I'll go through the rules of Sudoku, then I will tell you how the cages influence that, and then I will start the puzzle. Alright, there are 9 columns, 9 rows, and 9 boxes in a Sudoku. In each of the rows, columns, and boxes we need the unique number 1 through 9. Pretty much the puzzle. We're looking for the intersection point. Now there is these cages, which are the dotted line with a number in the top left-hand corner. The cages have to add up to the number in the top left-hand corner and have to be unique. So this 6, for example, can't be 3 and 3. That's pretty much the puzzle. Let's get into it. The only thing that I will point out though is that 1 through 9 added together adds up to 45, and that comes in handy sometimes. And it's going to come in handy with this box here, because there's all these full cages plus 1 that goes over. So 3 plus 18 is 21, plus 12 is 33. To get to 45 is 12, so this is 12 from 14 is 2. Okay, we've got another one here. 2 plus 11 is 13, 25, 37, so this is 8 short of 45. Once again, got another one, so this is 11, 33, so this is going to be 11 plus 33 is 44, 1 short of 45, then this becomes a 6. What that's done for me is it's actually told me that this is an 8, 7, right? So because the other one was 6 and 9, and 6 can't be from the rules of Sudoku, and this is 2 and 4. Okay. So that's that. What else can we see? We can see that there's a standalone 7 there, which means that 7's going to be down here somewhere, because this is a 9 and 7. By the way, 7's one of these two, because this is 8 and 7, this is 9 and 7, so that means that 7's going to be one of these, can't be there, so 9 and 7, so 7's one of these two here. 5 plus 22, 22 plus 11 is 33, plus 6 is 39, plus 5 is 22 plus 11 is 33, 38, 44, 50, 51. So these two are going to add up to 6. Interesting. So this is here is either 1 and 5, or this is 1 and 5 and 2 and 4, 2 and 4. 9 and 7. So 1, 2, 2 and 1 are going to be here or here. 1, 2, 3. So 6 is in this column. 6 is going to be here or here, because 6 doesn't work there, so 6 is here, and 6 is going to be here or here. If this is 6, that has to be a 5. 6 doesn't matter. 8 cannot going to be in here, so 8's going to be one of those. Can't be in these, so 8's going to be one of these 3. 15, 21, 32, 38, so these two are going to add up to 7. 6, 18, 17, 15, so this is 15. So 15 can be 9 and 5, 8 and 6. 5, 8 and 6. So 6 can't be here. 6 plus 13, just checking this, is 1930. So 6 can't be there, so 6 and 8's out. 8 and 7 works. 9, 5 and 9 does not work. 9 and 5 works. it's 9 and 6. So 5 doesn't work there. So it's 9, 6 and 9 can't happen. 8 and 7 can happen. 7 and 8 can't happen. And 9 and 6 can happen. Okay. Although that 8 can't be here, so this is an 8, leaving this to be a 9. 8 here, 8 can be here, here. 8 there. Okay, so 8 is one of these. So this is 4 and 7, so 9. 1 can be here. Actually, I'm running out of spots for 1. 1 can't be here. 1 can't be here, 1 can't be here, so that's a 1 there. 1 can't be here, so this is a 1 here, leaving this to be a 2, and I've known that for a long time. Like a 2 comes down here, so 8 and 2 are in there. So 6 is going to be in here, so 7 can be here, here, or here. 7 can't be here, so 7's one of these down here. So 4 and 7 are here, which means 5 and 6 are here. 5 and 6, so this is 9 and 3. So 9 and 3 can be here, which means 9 and 3 can't be here. 9 and 3 can't be here because that's the 9 and 3. So this is 6, 9 and 3, 8 and 4, 7 and 5. 5 and 7, so this is 9 and 3, 7 and 4. I'm saying 9 and 3 can't be here, so 9 and 3, so this is an 8. So 8 comes down here with 2. 4 comes down here. So 7 and 5 can't be there. 7 and 4 can be there. 7 and 4 can be there. 9 and 3, 6 makes this going to be a 6 here, leaving this to be a 5, which is 7 and 4 here. 5 comes down here, so if that's a 5, that would be a 6, which works. 8, 8 and 2, 4 and 7. So this can't be a 3 and 4. This can be a 3 and 4. 1, 2 there. So this has now become 2 and 4 here. So 2 can't be here, so this has got to be a 1, leaving this to be a 4. 1 is going to be here, here, or here. 1's not going to be there, so 1's one of these two. 4 can't be there, so that's a 2, leaving this to be a 4. Remember, 4 can't be here, 4 can't be here, so this is a 4 here, leaving this to be an 8. 4 and 7 there. 4, 2, 4 there, so this could be 4 and 2 there. I do need a 2, I do need a 1. Can be 5 and 1. So, interestingly enough, I need a 1 here. 1 can't be here, because that can't be there. 1 can't be here, because that would add up to 25, and 7, 8, 9 is 24, so this has got to be the 1. Okay, so 1 can be here, or here. This is 2 and 4, so 1 could be here. 1 can be here. Okay, 1 can't be there. 1 can't be here, 1 can't be here, 1 can't be here. So this is a 1 here. 9, 8, 7. because this is a 4 here, this is going to be a 4, leaving this to be a 2. So because this is 8, 7, this can be 8, 4, no, 7, 5, yes, 9, 3. 2 and 4 here, 4 can't be here, so this is a 4, leaving this to be a 2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 9. So 7, 9 there, 7's there. 9 can be here or here. 9, 3, 6. Okay. 2 and 4, so this can be 8 and 3 or 5 and 6. Okay, so that all works. 5 and 6 can't be here then. So 5 and if this was 5 and 6 wouldn't work here. 7 and 4 would work. 2, 4. So 1 can't be here, 1 can't be here, 1 can be here, or 1 can be here. So those two are all 1. 5, 4 and 3. 5 and 2. 9, 9. Actually, you've got a number here, 22, 33, 34, 36, so that's a 9 there. 9 comes across here, 9 comes across here, so that's a 9 there. So 6 and 3 still in play. 1, 2, 3 and 6 are here. So this can be 3 and 8 or 2 and 9. 9's going to be, can't be here. 9 can't be here, so 9's one of these. If that's a 9, that'd have to be 1 and 3, which works. Okay. 1 and 6 doesn't work. 4 and 2. So 1, 1. This is 4 and 7, but I don't know in what order. 3 and 6, so 6 and 5 still there, 6 can be there. 2, 4, so 1 can be here, 1 can be here, 1 can't be there. 1 and 6, yep. This would have to be 1, 9 and 3. So 14. 31, 35, so 10 is here, so 1, then it would have to be, can't be 2 and 7, can't be 4 and 5, it would have to be 3 and 6. So that would make that a 6 there, equals an 8. The 3 can't be there because that's a 3, so this is a 3 here, leaving this to be a 1. This is a 6 here. 1, 2, so 2 is there. 3, 4, 5, and 7. So if that's 2 and 5 there, so that can't be 2 and 5 there, so that's a 7, leaving this to be 2 and 5. 6 there. 2 and 5 there, 7 and 4, 3 it's going to be here, so 3 and 5 could be here, 3 and 4 could be here, 1, 2, 8, 9, 3 and 5, 8, 9, 8, 9, 3 and 5. So the only number that can go there is a 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7. So 7 comes down here, 7 comes down here, so that's a 7, leaving this to be a 4. Means this is 1 and 5. Okay, so that means that can't be a 1, can't be a 6, so it's 3 and 5. 1 and 5, so that's a 3, leaving this to be a 5. 5 and 2, so that's a 2 there. 2 can't be here, 2 can't be here, so 2 is one of these two. This can't be a 1, this can't be a 1, that can't be a 1, so that's a 1 there, leaving this to be a 5. 5 and 7 doesn't work, so 5's down here, 5 can't be here, so that's a 5 there. 5 and 6 up here, that's got to be the 5, leaving this to be the 6. That's going to mean that this can't be 3 and 8, it can be 4 and 7 or 2 and 9. Can't be 2 and 9, so it's going to be 4 and 7, 4 and 7. 7's still down here with a 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 9 here. 9 can't be here, so that's a 9, leaving this to be a 3. 9 needs to be in this row, can't be there, so that's a 9 there. This is going to be a 9 and 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is there. 1, 2, 3. 3 is there. 1, 2. So 9 and 2. So that's got to be a 9. Leaving this to be a 2. 1, 2. There's got to be an 8, apparently. 5 and 6, so this is 3 and 4, 4 can't be there, so this is a 4, leaving this to be a 3. This has got to be the 4 here, leaving this to be the 7. 9 can't be here, 9 can't be here, so 9's one of these two, 9 and 1. 1 can't be there, so that's a 1, leaving this to be a 9. 9 up here, 9 up here, 9 across here, so 9 to get to 16 to 7. Still don't know 3 and 6, handy. 6 can't be here, so 6 is there, so I do know that's a 3. This is a 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So 3 can be there or there. But 3 can't be here, so that's a 3. Meaning 3 can't be here, can't be here, and can't be here, so that's a 3 there. That's 12, so that's going to be 8 and 6. 8 can't be there, so this is an 8, leaving this to be the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. 8 can't be there, so this is an 8, leaving this to be the 7. 2 can't be there, so this is a 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's an 8 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up here we've got to focus on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need a 6 and an 8. 8 can't be there, so that's an 8, leaving this to be the 6. Alright. Reasonable puzzle. I've got it done in 19 minutes. Thank you so much for your time. Till next time, bye for now.